Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your cloud account and available storage so uploads won't fail. This avoids mid-process errors. Next, install and sign into the official client on each device and enable automatic updates to keep security current. Then choose the initial dataset, pick critical folders, and set a backup schedule, hourly for active work, daily for standard files. Once done, start the first manual sync, so you create a baseline snapshot and verify connectivity before moving to incremental backups. You now configure how data moves. Choose full versus incremental or differential backups based on how often files change. Incremental saves space and time. Then set bandwidth limits so backups don't saturate your network, enable file versioning to keep historical copies, and turn on client-side encryption if you need end-to-end privacy. Once configured, run a small test upload to validate settings, and check transfer logs and alerts to confirm files uploaded correctly, and that retries or throttles behave as expected. You finish by verifying restores. Perform a test recovery to a separate folder so you confirm file integrity without overriding live data. Make sure to schedule periodic audits to review storage usage and prune old versions or stale data to control costs. If anything goes wrong, first examine client logs for error codes, re-authenticate credentials, and retry the failed transfer. If the problem persists, contact provider support with log snippets and timestamps so they can resolve network or account issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.